Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need a minimal environment and clear first actions. Install Docker Desktop or Docker Engine, then run Docker version and Docker run Hello World so you prove the runtime works. Next, build a tiny app image from a Docker file and run it with mapped ports and a volume for persistent data. This teaches image versus container and why layers matter. Once done, inspect logs and Docker PS. Make sure to repeat until those commands feel familiar and reliable. You now expand from single containers to orchestrated workloads. Choose a local cluster like Kind, Minikube, or K3, configure kubectl and verify kubectl get nodes. Then write YAML manifests for deployment, service, and config map and apply them. This shows how declarative state drives the cluster. Once deployed, iterate with kubectl rollout status, kubectl logs, and kubectl port forward to test. Make sure to practice scaling replicas and updating images so you understand how Kubernetes maintains desired state and handles changes. You complete the learning path by automating and validating. Set up a CI job to build and tag images, push them to a registry, and apply versioned manifests. Add readiness and liveness probes, and set resource requests and limits so behavior is predictable. Once done, run integration tests against services and practice rollbacks. If things go wrong, check kubectl get events and kubectl describe pod. Then inspect nodes CPU and memory. That single diagnostic sequence usually reveals configuration, image, or resource issues to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.